Well, today we're in Butchart Gardens and it's one of the top attractions on Vancouver Island. And little did we know, it's like the theme park for gardens, isn't it, Gary? It's incredible. But it's got a bit of an interesting history, hasn't it?
It has, yes. So in 1904, Jenny and Robert Butchart moved from Ontario to here to open a concrete business, and they used the limestone in this quarry for that business. And when the limestone quarry was played out, they turned it into these amazing gardens.
Well, it cost us $39.50 each to get in here. So it's about £20 a head. But there are concessions for military and young people and children. So it's worth checking out what you can get a discount for. Also, they let you bring your dogs. So we've got our little pooch with us, the one we're looking after. We've got Mac with us today. Got to keep them on a lead. And they've got little doggy bags all over the park to make sure that you pick up after them. So we're heading to the Sunken Garden, and everywhere you look there is like hanging baskets, flowers are planted everywhere, and the scent is just incredible. There's a little wooden hut right at by the top of the Sunken Garden that you can actually see the whole thing from a really cute window. Look at this. Imagine waking up to that view. It's absolutely breathtaking. So the gardens have 50 regular staff working here all year round, and then in the height of the season in summer they take on an extra 20 seasonal staff as well. So that's up to 70 people working full time to keep these gardens immaculate. So I don't really know what most of these flowers are, but look at these beautiful flowers. If you know what they are, please pop it in the comments below and help us out here, because we're quite novice gardeners, but I know how to appreciate them. So we're inside the bottom of the Sunken Garden now, and honestly it's packed, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
There's loads of people, all different ages, all different nationalities. It's very popular, isn't it? Can't imagine how popular it is when it's like the summer season.
Yeah.
And if you come in the summer, what they do is they have light shows at night, so you can come in the evening, it's all lit up. I bet, Gary, that would be
amazing.
Incredible. Have you been at night? If you have, let us know. So we've come right down to the bottom and look at these tulips. Obviously we're in the spring season at the moment, so tulips are in. But wow, I've never seen such beautiful flowers. How stunning is that statue, just looking out amongst it. She looks so serene. I know how she feels. It makes you feel really peaceful. It's wonderful, isn't it, Gary?
It is, isn't it?
And we've picked a really nice day for it. I can't even tell you how vibrant these colours are. They're just beautiful. Look at the rock here. This must be the original limestone, Gary. Wow, look at those. All the different gardens have a centerpiece of water in them. And look at this, absolutely stunningly peaceful. Wow, look at this. There's a viewing platform up here, so we're going to go up there and have a quick look. But here's the view from the top of the lookout tower, and it really is well worth a look. Gary's been watching too much Yellowstone, so he's can't resist it. So there's a carousel that you can go on, and it's an extra $2 if you do want to go on it.
Welcome aboard the Rose Carousel.
So up by the Totem Poles, this is where they hold the fireworks in the summer. Obviously the dogs probably wouldn't like that, but I think in the summer it's a completely different ball game. Although it would be really hot here, wouldn't it, Gary?
Oh God, yeah, not wrong.
I think Mac would struggle if it was much hotter, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
We've had to stop a few times for some water, haven't we, honey? Looks like they're working on more areas of the garden over there. Oh wow, here's the dragon fountain. Loads of lovely fountains everywhere. It's all water and flowers everywhere. So it's not the season for the rose garden. Come the summer, this will be abundant with roses. So if you are a massive rose fan, this is the place to come. And I believe there's over 900 varieties here. It's raining blossom. Literally, it's just blowing everywhere, isn't it? It's just a beautiful place to come. Now you'll notice that I'm filming with a selfie stick, or you might not be able to see me doing it. However, there are signs everywhere saying you're not allowed to film, you're not allowed a selfie stick. What I did was I wrote to the guys here first and asked for permission, and I suggest if anybody wants to do that, that's what they should do. Always get a bit of permission. Another gorgeous fountain, and this is the fountain of the three sturgeons. There's loads of families here, but I would say the little kids are really enjoying it and everything, but I do think it's probably an adult thing. We've just seen a few teenagers that look like really miffed that they're here. Here we go. Here's the entrance to the Japanese garden. Well, for starters, there's plenty of bamboo, and I know that this is bamboo because we've got this in our own garden. It's got steps going down, so again, not massively accessible from this part. Oh, look at this. We've got a dragon here and the little waterfall. It's much more shady in the Japanese garden, and I have to say, thankfully, because we've had to take our jumpers off, we're roasting. It's really peaceful though. Just like little drips of water everywhere and like earthy tones. So they've got all these little structures, and you reckon these are lights, you say?
Yeah, they've got lights.
Oh, that's quite inventive, isn't it? It's very different in here. It's almost very shaded, lots of moss on top of rocks. It's completely different, isn't it? Again, everything is sort of themed around water and greenery and plants. Stunning around here. Oh, definitely time to put my camera down if I'm going on these stepping stones. I made it across. Oh, that's lovely, that is. Look at that. Have you seen this, Gary? It's kind of dripping down here and into there. That's beautiful. I love that. When it's full, it tips out. So, as you come through the Japanese garden, you can head to Buchart Cove lookout through this gate here. Wow, another absolutely beautiful spot to come and have a look. What a pretty little lookout, look at that. So we're going to head up to the Star Fountain now, aren't we?
We are.
That's one of the things I wanted to go and see. And there's a few restaurants and bits and pieces here, so we'll show you what's here. And there's toilets dotted around as well,
There's
isn't there?
quite a few all over the place, as well as these the dog water bowls are pretty
Yeah.
good. There's loads of them as well.
Yeah, they've really thought about making it comfortable,
Yeah,
haven't they, for
yeah,
people?
yeah.
This is what I love, Babs. There's loads of little hidden, like, secret bits to come and explore. I bet this is gorgeous lit up at night. We'll have to step back to show you the star fountain. You'll see it's in a lovely shape surrounded by the most beautiful yellow tulips. And here is the entrance to the Italian garden. You've got gelato vibes coming on already, haven't we, Gary?
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow. And again, the water themes are running through it, aren't they? So you have another fountain in the middle as well. There's your prices, not too bad. A double $10 and a single is $7. That's actually really good. Loads of flavours, look. I love this. There's a visitor's book to fill in as well. There's a massive queue for an ice cream, Gary, so we're not going to bother.
No.
We've actually got a ferry to catch, haven't we?
We have, if we're quick enough.
Yeah. Well, if we miss this ferry, we've got another sort of 2 hours to wait, and we did that coming over, didn't we? There are places to eat here. There's the Poppy Seed Cafe, I think there is.
Yep.
And you can have an afternoon tea. Now, we'd already eaten our lunch, hadn't we, because we'd missed our first ferry. But this looks like a lovely place to come and have an afternoon tea. A real celebration, I think.
That's lovely, isn't it? Absolutely
Yeah.
wonderful. So many must-see things in this garden. It's gorgeous.
So here is the Poppy restaurant, and they've got the menu outside, which is really good. Not too badly priced. You've got soups like $9.75 for a bowl, and your main dishes, they've got curry, $26. That's about £13–14. This is really not too badly priced. Well, we've really enjoyed showing you around the garden. I know it's not our usual content. We'll be back to our normal RV self as of next week, won't we?
will.
So there's a photo opportunity as you're leaving to capture this. You can slide the window open on this building, look there, and capture all of this. A little indoor botanical garden. Magic. So until next time, guys, if you've enjoyed this, give us a like. Maybe let us know what your favourite garden was here. And we'd love to hear from you. Have you been to Buchart? Do you want to visit? We'll see you next time when we're travelling through Canada.
We are.
Picking up the RV and heading off to the States. So till next time, take care, everyone. Love you loads. Bye.